Let's hit the button.
Waste oil companies do not want to pick up waste oil when you have chlorinated brake cleaning.
Oh, really? This is the chlorinated stuff, too. Like
All
I said,
right.
I have the... oh, no, chlorinated is the new stuff. This is unchlorinated.
All right, I'm going to have to edit, so you might as well start.
Okay. So the problem was...
By the way, before you start, Gerard from Rolling Thunder is here wearing his Motormouth Radio t-shirt. Look at that.
Well worn.
Well worn. Let me see. There's a stain right.
More than one.
Wow. Wow.
Excellent.
All righty, let's go back to Ray Ray. We are right now looking at Ray, and he's holding one of his steering wheels, which is especially sticky, if I may remember.
With a rig. Yeah, this steering wheel, as you let it sit, it would outgas. And
So does my co-host.
now this thing is over 30 years old, and it's still letting
That was pretty funny.
gas and fumes come out, and it makes it very sticky.
Uh-huh.
So I found by using some of this,
Let me see. Let me try and get a focus
just
on
regular
that.
brake clean.
Look at that.
You could
Alrighty.
probably use some soap and water. I would imagine you could use a soapy water mix. This is so much more fun.
All right.
I didn't do this Thursday because
And
I
this is
figured
gonna
the
stink
program
up-
director was here and he'd yell at me for stinking up the studio. Now it's only Kim that I have to deal with, but she yells at me all the time. So you spray a little of this, like that,
All right.
on the wheel, wipe it down, and you'll even see it change color.
Yes.
You'll see that now it's a duller color,
Duller
and
color.
it's no longer sticky and gooey.
Let me see.
Go on, give it a shot.
Damn, he's right.
See?
Let me see.
Oh, you like that?
Yes. Had to fondle the wheel there. No one saw.
That was our demonstration. This will take care of steering wheels, motorcycle grips. It'll take care of, I guess, actually brake clean will take care of a lot of little, if you get gum.
A lot of stuff.
Yeah, a lot of good stuff. Sorry, Kim. We revisited our...
Kim is back. Kim, who else does this dopey stuff?
I don't know. I'm not near that much.
That's true.
I'll get Gerard for posterity.
All right, Gerard back. All righty. And that's it, gang. All righty.